Hello fellow crafters and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to use our dies in a creative way to make a bunny wrapper for Hershey bars. This will be a great gift to give kids at school or to leave on a coworker's desk to brighten their day. So let's get started. Our first step is to take a piece of white cardstock and trim it down 5 3/4 by 5 3/4. I love using this Tim Holtz trimmer because each little section makes 1/4 of an inch and I can quickly make several of these bunnies at once. Next, we'll take the cardstock and score one end at 1 1/2. Rotate it and score the other end at 1 1/2. And all the products I'm using are linked below. We will use score tape to hold each side of the bunny wrapper down. However, we need to tape down the ends of the Hershey bar so they don't stick outside of the bunny's body. To make the bunny's ears, we will use 2 heart dies, a large die and a small die. The large die will cut out the big part of the ears and the small die is the small inside part of the ears. Once the ears are cut, we will cut the white heart in half and the pink heart in half and adhere those to make the bunny's ears. Once the bunny's ears are created, I forgot to capture this, but you will put score tape on the back of the bottom of the bunny's ears and tuck them into the bunny's body. For the bunny's face, I thought these googly eyes with the eyelashes were absolutely perfect. And I adhered those with score tape. Then you will take the smallest circle die, or you could use a punch, and create the bunny's nose. Using a black marker, which I used a Copic multi-liner marker, I created the whiskers and used a W shape to make the mouth. And now you have an adorable bunny wrapper that you can share and spread joy to others. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks and happy Easter!